Tom Hughes here of Gamadox, Lumen Electronics, and also I've written this book, Improvement Starts with I. And I just wanted to tell you about my experience at the AME conference. The last time I attended was in Dallas, and I just had such a great time. I connected with so many people, many of which at that time I'd only ever met on the internet. So people like Patrick Adams, Katie Anderson, another wonderful author. I got to spend time with them, people like Ron Pereira. I really connected. It was fantastic. And dozens of other people that I didn't know that I managed to connect over our joint passion for lean. So I found it a wonderful place to connect. And I also found the workshop content really diverse. I think there's something to learn for everyone, no matter where you are on your lean journey. And yeah, so I couldn't recommend attending the conference highly enough. That time they were already doing a beneficial deal for 2 second lean people, which I'm one of. So I believe the guys are planning on doing that this year. So I couldn't recommend going to the conference highly enough. So enjoy when you attend.